How to recover deleted Gmail account on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on this video we will see how we can recover deleted Gmail account on Android. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before that, you have to keep in mind that we can only recover if you have deleted the Gmail account recently within a specific time period. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a Google in your device, and in the search bar type for Gmail account recovery, and on the search results you will have the first link that says how to recover your Gmail account or how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on the first link. That's gonna take you to this next page that says how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So here, scroll down a bit, and under this section that says recover a deleted Google account, tap on recover your account. Now under this again, scroll down a bit, and at the first option that says follow the steps to recover your account, tap on it. That will again take you to this page that says account recovery or recover your Google account. So here you have to enter the email address of that recently deleted Gmail account. And once you're done, tap on next. After that, it will ask for your password. Enter the password, and once you're done with that, your now Gmail account is recovered. So that's how you recover deleted Gmail account on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.